Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, easy to remove Bing from Windows 11 Start Search Taskbar and Microsoft Edge. Click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security, click Search Permission. Turn off Cloud Content Search. Turn off Show Search Highlights, click Windows Privacy Options. Turn off all settings under General. Click three dots, click Settings. Click Privacy Search and Services. Click Address Bar and Search. Change to Google. Click Manage Search Engines. Copy URL from description and paste it. Click three dots, click Make Default. Click Start Home and New Tabs. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand policies, click and expand Microsoft, create new key named as Edge. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as hide sidebar enabled, change value data to 0. Type edge command / policy, reload policies. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.